Hi everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be making a necklace with the new Softflex design kit. It's called Rainy Day. I'll be using this embellishment here as the foundation of my necklace, and this was actually wrapped around the Rainy Day kit as an embellishment, and I thought it'd be really cool to incorporate that into part of the design for this kit. I'll be using the Softflex in Tanzanite. I'm using the 3 cloud charms that came in the kit, the umbrellas from Vintage, some crystals, and then some little seed beads that were mixed into the crystals, of course, the clasp, and then these beautiful check glass that kind of look like clouds as well. And then you will just need your tools and some 2x2s, and I am using everything that is in the kits. So to start our project, we're going to take the embellishments and we're just going to trim off that last bead and just make sure that there is enough still showing. It's kind of hard to see when it's clear. And this is like on fishing line, so it's just going to be a monofilament. Just going to trim that off and we're just going to have that little bit of wire showing, and that's where we're going to attach our clasp. Move those off to the side. We're going to bring in our 2x2s. And we're just going to slide it on our wire. And this might be a little tricky because we don't have a lot to work with to double back. So you can use your round nose pliers. Let's see if we can just get that to just make a circle to put on there. Just like that. We have our little tiny circle, tiny loop. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to slide it on. Take back the ends. And you can round the 2x2s if you want, but just because this is such kind of a tight squeeze, I'm just flattening mine down to make sure that the string is inside. So they're going to flatten like that. And we're just going to grab a jump ring. I'm using 6mm jump rings. We're just going to slide it through that little loop, just like that. And then we'll attach our clasp and close. That's what's neat about the monofilament or the fishing line, is it's see-through, so it gives it that illusion style necklace. Flex wire. Go ahead and string on your briolet. Slide on a 2x2. And then we're just going to pass the little tail of our Softflex wire through the 2x2. And this is going to allow our Softflex to show a little bit in our design. Just make sure that it's not touching the briolet too closely, or else they'll cause tension and cause it to break. And then when you're happy with your spacing, just go ahead and give it a little squeeze. Then I'm going to go and round these off. Then we have a little bit of a tail. And normally you can just tuck the extra Softflex wire into the next bead, but with this check glass, it won't fit. And then we're just going to slide on our check glass and one of our little seed beads. Then we're going to take another 2x2. And I know I have a lot of Softflex left over, so whatever's left over, I'm just going to trim it and then create my next angle. We're going to pass that back through the 2x2 and leave a little bit of room on the top, just like that. And then go ahead and give it a squeeze. And it's optional if you want them all the same size. because they're like little raindrops, so they can be varying in different lengths. So you'll have your first little dangle, and that also makes a really cute earring. So remove that off to the side. And then same thing, we're going to pick up our briolette and a 2x2. Make sure that we have the spacing. Nice thing with this tanzanite color as well is it's perfect for spring. It's almost like a violet. Then we'll just make 2 more of our little dangles, and then we'll start attaching our little raindrops to our. So we have all of our little dangles. There are check glass and our briolettes, and then our charms and umbrellas and clouds. So now we're just going to go ahead and attach them on to our drop necklace. So we're just going to open up the jump rings. And then just decide where you want them on your design. And then since I am using a 6mm jump ring, they tend to move on the necklace, and that's okay. Because everything will just kind of stack up like a charm bracelet. Just attach our little clouds and our dangles. You'll have your little rainy day charm necklace. Just put a little cloud in there. So you can design it however you would like. I think that's cute. So we'll just go ahead and attach on all our jump rings, and then we'll have our finished necklace. We've added on all our charms, and we have completed our rainy day necklace. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content tutorials and unboxings. Have a wonderful day.